box just came in from my friend Jim Chandler in Houston, Texas. I already kind of started opening it before I realized who it was from. And then I saw what was in it and I was like, you're gonna want to see this. So here I am opening this up. Jim's been sending me some of his antique tools, and I gotta tell you, apparently the Amazon people didn't think so highly of this stuff, but this is this must have been in here. But this is a you know, this is an original. This is like a perfect mint condition plumb bob. You know, you hang from a string, and here's the point. Thanks, Jim. Okay, this is, check this guy out. This is what you call a trammel point. And, okay, what's down, oh man. They, this Amazon people, I guess. Look at this guy. These are trammel points. See how it works? Okay.
Oh.
See, and this is a bar that goes between the, what do you call it? You know, you can make the bar whatever length you want.
Yeah.
And then this is what you would use to make circles, you know?
That's so cool.
You know, and things like that. This, like, I mean, have you ever seen, I mean, I've never seen a set like this. This is like, I mean, I used to have a set, okay, that came from like the home store, and, you know, and basically it looked like, you know, this color steel or whatever, but look at the decoration and the craftsmanship that goes into it. You know, why decorate it unless this to somebody is an important tool, right? This communicates how important this tool really is, and this is I will keep this forever. Now, I gotta get this box out here because it looks like somebody.
Oh wow, you got damage too.
This was this. Let's see. Well, here it came in here. This is auger bit set number 91, 5 pounds. Let's see if I can get this guy located or fixed. Let's see. Okay, that goes there. Good. Okay. And then I'm not sure, but there was a drawer open, wasn't there?
Oh, that's what it was. I thought it was broken.
Oh, but look, check it out. Look how it opens.
Oh, that's so cool.
It hinges open. Oh, I'm so glad it's not broken. What's this? This is like, I don't know what this is for, but it fits in the same, you know, the drill that goes this way?
Yeah.
Huh. Maybe that goes there, and that's got to go here. Where does this one go? There? No? I don't know.
Did we get a special loose one from him?
I don't know. Let's find out. Let's see. I mean, this that stays there like that. Oh look! Check it out.
Oh wow.
It's the Irwin bit from the Irwin bit, registered U.S. Patent Office. Dude, that is amazing. Oh, check it out. Check out these hinges. See? Those are legit, you know? And it's got a nice finger jointed edge on the box here. Check out those hinges there. I mean, it's so nice. Oh, and then you can like the genuine and original Irwin bits. Irwin something company. Irwin, look, April 19th, 1887. Wow. What's this? Okay, these are more auger bits. These aren't as old. Okay, these might be modern. You know, these auger bits are similar. They're just going to regular drill. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, dude. I don't even know what to say about this, man. It's got a
That's
mark.
like pristine too. Look at that.
See, so I can get. Can you get that? What does that say?
Oh, it's not really coming out clear, but
Let's see. Can you tell this makes me happy?
yeah, man.
Like, how can this not make you happy?
It's new tools. Well, it's old tools, but new.
Well, but see, but the other thing too is, I mean, oh look, check this out.
Ooh, secret compartments.
Secret compartments. Look, the bits that go in here. Look, see it?
Wow.
See, think about the thought that went into making this. You know what I'm saying? And that's just the thing. Not only the thought, but the people who've actually held this and touched it and made something with it. You know, you have people who have that sincere artisan spirit. So when they're making something, you know, I mean, they're really putting themselves into the object, whatever it happened to be, and and whoever designed this tool, I mean, they didn't have to design it this way. You know what I'm saying? They can design it like the junk you get now, you know, where you just, you know, it's just throw away type of stuff. But this thing is, I mean, it's got to be 100 years old.
Oh yeah.
I'll have to look more. I can't see that good. I can't see where there's a date on there or not. But I mean, that is amazing. These guys are really cool. Okay, what's this?
Ooh.
Another package. What's this? Another
it's
freaking
like-
drill.
It's the bigger version.
Well, but look, you see what this is? This is a breast drill.
Ah.
See that?
Used a little natural.
You know?
Nice.
You got the wooden handle on. Maybe this one's got some more work design. It's got a marking that says Germany on it.
That's
I can
cool.
tell that. Any other markings on it I can see.
Nothing.
But again, why make a tool this beautiful unless it's meaningful? You know, it's got the meaning of this tool is encapsulated and expressed in its beauty. Okay, and I think that's the end of this box.
Alrighty.